in huge win for Trump, Senate affirms his preservationist court pick. Reuters by Lawrence Hurley and Andrew Chung. Washington. The Republican drove Senate on Friday gave Donald Trump the greatest triumph of his young administration, affirming his Supreme Court chosen one over forceful Democratic restriction and re-establishing a traditionalist lion's share on the most elevated U.S. legal body, the Senate, which a year ago declined to consider Democratic previous President Barack Obama's chosen one to the court, voted 54-45 to favor Republican Trump's pick. Colorado-based government offers court judge Neil Gorsuch to the lifetime work. 3 Democrats joined the Republicans in voting in favor of Gorsuch. Gorsuch's affirmation closes the longest Supreme Court opening since 1862 amid the American Civil War, with the court down in equity for right around 14 months since long-serving traditionalist Justice Antonin Scalia kicked the bucket on February 13, 2016. Hess going to make an unfathomable expansion to the court, Senate Majority Leader Mitch McConnell said on the Senate floor. McConnell said Gorsuch, who additionally worked in the Justice Department under Republican previous President George W. Bush and is the child of the principal lady to head the Environmental Protection Agency, has sterling certifications, a brilliant record and a perfect legal temperament, illustrating the significance existing apart from everything else. Vice President Mike Pence filled in as the Senate's managing officer amid the vote, Republicans, having a 52-48 Senate-dominant part on Thursday, defeated a fierce Democratic push to obstruct an affirmation vote by depending on an administered change known as the atomic option. Senate Democratic pioneer Chuck Schumer, who drove the restriction to Gorsuch, said he trusts the judge would regard worries that the court is progressively floating towards turning into an all the more professional corporate court that favors bosses, organizations and uncommon interests over working America. The Senate's endorsement of Gorsuch, 49, restores the 9-situate court's 5-4 moderate dominant part, satisfying a vital battle guarantee made by the Republican president. Gorsuch was the most youthful Supreme Court chosen one since Republican President George H.W. Bramble in 1991 picked Clarence Thomas, who was 43 at the time. Gorsuch could be required to serve for a considerable length of time, while Trump could make advance arrangements to the High Court to make it significantly more decidedly preservationist. Back